Getting the right size furnace is crucial. Too big, it wastes energy and wears out faster. Too small, your home never feels warm enough and your energy bill skyrockets. So what size furnace do you need for your 2,000 square foot home? A properly sized furnace is key to consistent comfort and efficiency. An oversized unit heats up too quickly, causing short cycling and uneven temperatures and even higher energy bills. On the other hand, an undersized furnace struggles to keep up, running constantly and putting unnecessary strain on the system. The right furnace ensures steady, even heating, maximizes energy efficiency, and extends the lifespan of your unit, saving you money in the long run. So what's the magic number? Let's break it down. Furnace sizes are primarily measured in British thermal units, or BTUs. The BTU rating indicates the amount of heat the furnace can produce per hour. In our cold Ontario climate, HRAI's general rule of thumb is 30 to 45 BTUs per square foot. But with today's high efficiency furnaces, 95% efficiency or higher, that number adjusts. For a home like yours, that means you likely need between 60,000 and 70,000 BTUs. Before you rush out and buy a furnace, here's the catch. BTU needs can change based on factors like the insulation in your home. Older homes may need a bit more heating power. The windows and doors in your house. Poorly insulated windows, that heat might be escaping and so might need more BTUs. Ceiling height, more volume of air inside the home means more heating demand. That's why at Affordable Comfort, we don't just guess. We use precise, load calculations to ensure you get the right size furnace for your unique home. Now that you know the basics, what's the next step? Even the right furnace won't perform well without a proper installation. Poor installation can lead to efficiency losses, higher energy bills, and even premature system failure. That's why at Affordable Comfort, we go beyond just sizing your furnace. We ensure it's installed for peak performance, efficiency, and longevity. Ready to upgrade? Contact us today and let's make sure your furnace is sized and installed for maximum comfort. From all of us at Affordable Comfort, have a great day.